back again. What's going on? You've only got to say one word and everybody knows what's going on. Can you read that? You read those letters. F-U-N-K. Mr. Funky Prepper. Ooh, roach belly. Push cut. Ready? Steady. I knew I'd like that. I knew I'd like a roach belly. That's a lean, mean bit of kit. Oh, Jasmine, you have some sweeties. Thank you very much, Darren. He said he'd send me some cutting fluid. So this is for my drilling. Oh, and he's put it in one of his sweet little funky fluid. Oh, I don't even know if that's legal. Funky fluid. Oh God, he's a cad. Hang on, funky fluid. You can't see that. Oh God, if the postmaster opened that, what the hell's this? Please find enclosed funky fluid. It's extremely concentrated, so go easy. And some sweet souries for Jasmine. I must crunch one on camera. Okay. She might not. She's not into sour, so I might end up with these. Sour power pellets. Hazard zone. Okay, mate. Just for you. Funky fluid. Oh my God. He didn't put that, did he? He did. Oof, they're pretty big. It's alright. I've got some amber nectar to wash it down with. Oh, Jazz won't like these. That was nice. Not so bad. I like them. Strawberry. I like that. Well, thank you, Darren. Much appreciated. Have a great one. See you on the next one. Sweet's lovely. Right, should be fine with that. I'll give her an apple. Thanks a lot. Stuff much to play. Some sweeties for Jazz. I'm not saying it. All the best. See you on the next one. Funky fluid!
Yay!
Guess who that's from? You'll never guess.
Funky Pepper?
Funky Prepper.
Yay! More sweets! Thank you!